Hello and welcome to Nigel Daily Car Sales. Today we've got the 2016 BMW 435i. Quick 360 video today. Obviously it looks done in mineral grey. Full M Performance kit on the car and full BMW service history. It's also got the lovely M Performance exhaust, carbon fibre tips. You can see the M Performance rear diffuser there as well. Got recent tyres all round, all the wheels are in perfect order. I'll show you quickly the wheels themselves. Got new disc and pads on the front which were fitted just a couple of months ago at BMW. There you go. Not sure if you can make out the sound of the M Performance exhaust, but a really absolutely gorgeous sound. And finally, final wheel. You can see all in perfect order. I don't know if you can make out the tread on the tyres, but you can see pretty much new front and rear. If you're inside the car, it's got the Harman Kardon sound system, as you can see there. Mileage is 3293, pro navigation, heated seats, climate control, the air sock there with 3 different settings, and the amazing 8-speed automatic, sports mode, eco, pro and comfort modes. I'll put the roof up for you as well, show that working. Really is an amazing mechanism on these. It's amazing just watching them go down and come back up the roofs. There you have it. I'll show you outside. That's the car with the roof up. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Any further questions? 01270 382 321 or sales@nigeldeli.co.uk. Don't forget to check out our reviews on Facebook, Google and Auto Trader. Thank you ever so much for watching.